Hello fellow traders, how are you doing? I hope you had another great week, plenty of wins and not so many losses. Gibson here from MrMTrades. Welcome back to the next video. Today we are going to take a look at our alerts, how to use them, what you should pay attention to, how to check the setups on the charts, and finally how to exit your position with a profit. So the question is, what do we really do? Well, we are providing you with day and swing trade signals, daily watch lists, live sessions. We have over 80% and more accuracy in our trades. Last week it was even 92%. It doesn't mean that we can't be wrong in our analysis. Of course we can, but we are right most of the time. And that's one of the edges we need to be profitable. We are providing education and guidance to all of our followers, answering questions, discussing trades, setups, and ideas. So in the future, you'll be able to create your own trading strategy and execute it properly. Plus, we also have a dedicated crypto and NFT member chat for all of you who are interested in that. So how do we start our day as traders? First, we are sending out our general watch lists for the day. A watch list is a list of companies or stock tickers, so the symbols of the companies, that we have our eyes on for some time now. And from our earlier analysis, or morning one for that matter, these are the companies showing the most potential for a trade in that particular day. So what we do next is we open our trading view. It's a free charting platform which you can use to see all the stocks charts. And it should be efficient enough for your trading needs. So now we want to add all of the company stickers to our watch list. Let's do that here. And there it is, you're ready to go. Now, as the day goes by, apart from the companies from our watch list, there can be other ones added. As you know, the situation on the markets can be very dynamic, so we want to have an opportunity to be able to take part in those trades, if we have all of the confluences lining up for us. And that's where our alerts come into play. The alerts look like the ones I'm showing you here, and we have different types of them. They can be swing trade ideas, or day trade ideas, or as we call it, day swing ideas, which mainly takes place in large cap companies, just like we've been signaling lately. Let's take a closer look at this alert here. So we have the category of the alert, which is in this case a swing trade idea. Then we have the name of the company, which is UVXY. Our entry price, $16. Take profit levels, 1660, 17, and 17.5 plus. The stop loss is set to 1490. And another type of annotations you'll find at the bottom of such alert, like here we have an indication that this is a short swing. Sometimes, if the trade is indicated as a day trade, it means that the setup we are looking at is a breakout setup. If you are not sure what kind of trade is what, have a look at our previous video about what kind of trader are you, so you'll know what each trade name means and which alerts you want to be focused on. So let's have a look at the chart again. If we look at this alert we sent out, we have our entry at 0.315 and we were expecting a breakout here. Remember to calculate your position based on the stop loss, which was set up here originally at 0.27. And we can see how the trade goes and how we can manage it. So we got our first take profit hit at 0.35. And what we usually advise is to take partials. So we close only half or 0.7 portion of our original size to secure the profits. And we'll let the rest run. As you can see, the price pulls back to our original entry. So it's up to you if you'd like to have already a break-even stop loss moved here, or you want to wait for the price to go higher. Okay, so the price goes higher in this example, hitting our second take profit at 0.38. Now we can either close the whole trade or partial the size of the trade we have left and see what happens. So the price goes to the new height of the day and pulls back. So in this case, after a second take profit, I would have my stop loss moved above the first take profit or break even at the entry. Again, this depends on your trade management and your own backtesting. But as you can see here, we would have a nice 1.25 RR secured. And if we closed half of our positions, that would be 0.62 RR. And the next one ran to 2.33 again, but after our first partial, that was only half of our original position. So we can do the math here. It's 1.24 divided by 2. So that equals to 0.62. And 2.33 divided by 2. And that equals to 1.16. So this overall trade would get us a nice 1.78 RR. And of course, you could argue to hold all your positions until they hit take profits, but you never know if the price will get there, okay? That's why we secure our profits early, and we even say that in our updates very often. And after our trades, we post daily recaps of the winning trades, so you can see the criteria and understanding of our entries, plus the updates we've sent out during the day. And that's it. If you're still unsure about the alerts, let us know in the chat. I would argue that the trade management and your psychology playing a crucial role in it are as important as the alerts themselves. So do your own backtesting and see what you are comfortable with when it comes to managing your trades. If you liked this video and got any value from it, please hit that like button below the video, write a comment and come visit us on Telegram, for which you'll find the link below. We have a great group of like-minded people there. We are discussing our strategies and our trades, supporting each other in the process, so come in and say hi. Have a great week, even better trades, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.